I could not believe what I was seeing and immediately broke down into tears.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's law of attraction success story is extremely inspiring. It is one of those success stories which has everything. It's first of all a huge success, and secondly the contributor has very generously sent photographs and all kinds of details. The exact affirmation that he used, all of that is there in this success story. So give this video a like, do watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So today's success story has been sent to me by Tanuj. Tanuj has sent it by email, and Tanuj has named the success story Life-Changing Results Achieved Through Law of Attraction. And Tanuj writes, "Hi, my name is Tanuj Ulangwar and I am from Pune. Firstly, I would like to thank you for the wonderful happiness you are spreading across the world with your magical work. You have influenced so many lives until now, and one such life is mine." Thank you so much, Tanuj. And then Tanuj continues, "I would like to share a life-changing, mind-blowing experience with you and how it has changed my life and the lives of people around me. I would urge you to share this story with your viewers so that they understand how even impossible things can be achieved by consistent mental efforts through the law of attraction. I have known about the concept of law of attraction since last 7 to 8 years, and since then I have been applying the law of attraction throughout my life. But frankly speaking, until recent times, I was not able to attract anything specific as a goal or manifestation. This was mainly because of the vagueness of the concept, and I did lose touch with it throughout the years. And then I came across your channel and started watching your videos somewhere around September 2019, and it immediately rang a bell. I started watching your success story series, which strengthened my belief in the law of attraction." And then he continues, "My story goes like this. I am a mechanical engineer and passed out in 2017 and right away got placed in a MNC company. With a brief stint of 18 months with that company, I left that job and started my own company in December 2018. Fast forward to May 2019, we had formed tie-ups with a few Spanish companies to get their products in India and started working with them to promote the new technology locally. In this process, we got a wonderful opportunity to propose our product to one of India's largest private power producing company, and in brackets he has written, for obvious reasons I cannot disclose the name of the company, alright. As an opportunity, it was like a shot in the dark. We presented about the technology and they loved it, and they said that they would get back to us soon. So with this excitement in mind, after coming back to my hometown, I wrote this very unusual but exact intention in my journal about us getting a project with this company in the specific plant location and having a specific contract value in rupees. I started applying the law of attraction on this intention very normally along with my other goals. Soon, after a few weeks, the customer asked us to submit our proposal for an upcoming job during the plant shutdown period. We submitted a very exhaustive tender document in June 2019 and hoped that we would get that project. With time, I got busy with our other business activities and forgot about this particular job. Weeks passed and months passed, but I did not hear anything from the customer. Suddenly, in November 2019, we got a call from them saying that they have the same job opening in the month of January 2020 for which we had submitted our proposal. This job was a very prestigious one and something which has never been done in India before. It was a power plant shutdown job where you get very limited days to perform the contract under very heavy time pressure. So it's a job where the power plant has been shut down, and only during that shutdown, it's a small period of time. In that period of time, you have to finish the entire work. So the nature of the job is like extremely time sensitive. All right. And then Tanuj continues, "Obviously, we were not the only ones competing for this job. Few other reputed and established companies were in the race too. They said we would hold an e-auction in the next 2 days for the job and you would have to compete for the same." Immediately, I got geared up, and the first thing I did was I revisited the intention I had written in my journal in May 2019. I modified that intention a bit by putting exact figures and outcomes what I wished for. I wrote my intention with such clarity that I mentioned the exact contract value, the exact outcomes, and other details. I even visualized it for a few days until the auction happened. I seriously wished we could get this job as this would really change the face of our company and give us a huge boost. I strongly meditated over the intention and reread my journal again and again, sending a very positive message to the universe to make this come true. Meanwhile, I was also listening to your success stories, which were giving me an extra push to manifest this intention. 20th November, the day of the online auction arrived, and we were all set to compete for it. Finally, the online auction started at 12 pm and was supposed to last for 1 hour. We had many competitors in the auction, but most of these were anonymous. We started competing and bidding according to the prescribed rules. The auction went on for a long period and extended almost by 4 hours as the competition was very fierce. We kept bidding until the last moment and gave our best shot until the end. Finally, the auction price went too low where it was not possible for us to go lower. With a heavy heart, I had to quit and leave the auction from there. We became L2 in the auction, and in brackets he has explained L2 is the second lowest bidder for the job. I was feeling really bad as we lost the job by a very small margin. I really wished to have won this job for my company and wondered how the law of attraction did not work exactly as we had hoped. But I was happy inside that we were so close to winning such big job and thanked the universe for giving me an opportunity to participate and compete with such reputed competitor companies. Alright, so even though he has lost the auction, he's slightly disappointed. He's wondering why did it not work exactly how I wanted. At the same time, he has a sense of gratitude as well. Alright, and then he continues, but the universe works in its own ways. The very next day, I got a call from the customer saying that your company lost the auction by a meager margin of just 50,000 rupees and they still want us to do the job. They said our product was technically advanced over the one who won the job and they would be willing to spend that extra money for our products and services. So Yash, I can't tell you how overwhelming that moment was. The customer said they would award us the contract in XXX value. He has not mentioned the value, he has written XXX value. And to my surprise, this was the exact monetary figure I had mentioned in my journal a few days back. The exact same figure. It was getting hard to imagine what was happening and I was boiling with happiness and excitement. That day, I clearly understood the power of law of attraction and how it works. We were given the order for this particular job and asked to mobilize in the plant by a particular date. So the date by which they have to finish the job is also mentioned. So then the thought process also changes. And Tanuj writes, but Suyash, let me tell you, winning the job on paper was an easy task compared to executing the task on the ground. We had to perform the most critical job in the history of power plants shutdowns in India. Our task was to rehabilitate the seawater intake pipeline of a plant of size 4 meters diameter, and in brackets he has thankfully explained, imagine a large truck could fit inside the pipeline and 1 kilometer long which only had 3 entry points of size of 4 feet. So a very complicated feat of engineering. Alright, it was an underground job with limited oxygen supply arrangements. I am attaching a photo of the pipeline. So that's the pipeline that he's talking about. We can see that it's really huge. Alright, shutdown is the time when the plant is shut for maintenance activities for a fixed number of days. Any delay in restarting the plant on target dates attracts heavy fines from the government in scale of crores of rupees. That's millions of dollars, okay? And here we were, the whole plant shutdown activity was dependent on us as it was the most critical job of all. A job which would normally require 3 months to complete had to be done in 25 days. Imagine an 18 months old startup company with a 24-year-old leader, myself he has written in brackets, had to perform such critical activity in stipulated time period. It literally gave me shivers when I thought of completing the job. But I did have a secret tool, and that definitely was the law of attraction. I sat down and wrote my intentions with exact details of how we would perform this job with utmost efficiency, effectiveness, and exact time period to finish it. With exact finishing dates and other details, I had everything written there clearly. I am attaching a screenshot of one such intentions. That's a screenshot on your screens right now. And then Tanuj continues, I visualized this intention every day and imagined the exact picture of complete job. This is an important point. I visualized this intention every day and imagined the exact picture of the completed job. And you'll know why it's important by the end of the success story. I imagined shaking hands with the customers and they appreciating us for the way we executed the job successfully. The job started and we mobilized in the plant to perform the contract. I assembled a wonderful team with a combination of highly experienced project managers and a young group of highly enthusiastic and energetic staff. Let me tell you, Suyash, it was definitely not an easy task. Due to the huge scale of this job and its uniqueness, we had to take up so many challenges, issues, and blockages which even the customer had not imagined about. Problems kept mounting on top of each other, which were totally out of control. I definitely had a wonderful team with me who kept continuously fighting against all the odds. But at the same time, the situation was so hard that it seemed impossible to complete the job on time. There was tremendous pressure for the customer and also the huge risk of monetary fine, and in brackets he has written almost 1 lakh rupees of delay for each day if we could not complete the job on time. But all this while I was visualizing, writing journal and also giving out indications to the universe about the successful outcomes of these problems. I would write affirmations to my mother on WhatsApp every morning about successful completion of specific critical tasks planned for that particular day. Every morning I would imagine myself looking at the completed job and feeling proud about the same. Days passed and we were nearing the end date. Things slowly took magical turns. All the activities started happening according to our plans. The worker teams were putting in extra hours and working in the most difficult situations since the job was underground with limited fresh air supply. All the employees of our company were also very committed to finish the job. I was continuously feeding them with positive thoughts and got everyone on the same page of enthusiasm and excitement. Everyone worked hard and finally we completed the job successfully in all aspects of timelines and quality parameters. To my surprise, it took us exactly 25 days to complete the job successfully. A very special thing happened on the last day, 25th day in the plant. I was standing at a specific location in the plant and having a look at the completed job. And to my surprise, these were the exact replica of the images I would imagine every day in my meditation activities, the exact same location with the exact sequence of activities. My God, it's the exact manifestation. I could not believe what I was seeing and immediately broke down into tears. I was so overwhelmed at that moment as last 25 days flashed in front of my eyes and how I had attracted the exact same outcomes by putting out the intentions into the universe. It was one of those moments when you keep getting goosebumps for seconds together, back to back. I can totally relate to this, what he was imagining, the way in which he was imagining, the scene was right in front of his eyes. How exact the manifestation is. It's incredible. And then he continues, I closed my eyes and thanked the Lord for his generosity and also thanked the universe for the successful manifestations. At that moment, my life changed and I had figured out the secret to the universe and law of attraction. After completion of the job, the customer highly appreciated our consistent efforts, teamwork, and the never give up attitude. We were literally the youngest team with an average age of 28 years to have completed this job with top-notch levels of quality. I have attached 2 photos of the team. So these are the 2 photos of his team that Tanuj has sent. And then he continues, as a matter of fact, we were invited by the group CEO to country head office to present our successful case study. So his business is booming, that's what he's trying to convey, that now because of a great project that he has completed, he's actually getting more and more opportunities. So he's been invited to the country head office. Soon after this, they have asked us to take up similar projects in their other plants across the country. Wow. Here we stood, having completed the most critical job for the most prestigious organization in the country by just an 18-month-old startup. All possible because of the law of attraction. I have specifically written my story with such detail as I wanted to showcase that whatever the situation, the law of attraction does work for you. We had so many problems, blockages, and hurdles that it seemed impossible to complete the job, but with exact intentions and consistent mental efforts, anything can be achieved and attracted at any point of time. And I could only believe all of this because I was hearing incredible success stories from Suyash's Mind Body Spirit series. I would really like to thank Suyash from the bottom of my heart to strengthen my belief in the law of attraction and how his videos were a guiding light. Please continue with this noble cause and keep guiding people in the journey. With all love, Tanuj. Thank you, Tanuj, for those very kind words. But man, seriously, I'm so motivated after reading your success story. And I'm sure that every viewer watching this video is also highly motivated. So right now, leave a comment for me and Tanuj. Let us know how you are feeling right now after hearing this success story. Also, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel Mind Body Spirit. And also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch several success stories every day. Like it happened with Tanuj. With you also, your motivation will increase, your belief will increase, your belief will get strengthened, and your thought process will change. And because of that, your manifestation will become more certain, it will become faster. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos of this series that I've posted till now. So go ahead right now, watch a few more videos, watch videos of this series every day, and notice the difference.